Welcome to this video on our portable mini fan, the ultimate personal cooling solution designed to help you stay cool anytime, anywhere. This smart, portable, and rechargeable device is built for your convenience. Why do you need a mini fan? Whether you are dealing with discomfort from hot weather during your daily commute or working in stuffy indoor spaces like offices and classrooms, poor airflow can easily drain your productivity. Meet our portable mini fan. It is a compact and lightweight tool engineered to deliver refreshing air directly to you. It features a portable design, a long-lasting USB rechargeable battery, powerful airflow, and quiet operation. This device comes with outstanding features, including strong wind speeds with adjustable settings, easy USB recharging, a low-noise engine for quiet operation, and energy-efficient power consumption. Customers love this fan because it provides instant relief, is ultra-portable for your bag, offers comfort during travel, provides versatility for daily tasks, and uses an eco-friendly rechargeable battery. It is perfect for many places. Use it at home or the office, take it with you while traveling or commuting, or bring it along for outdoor leisure activities like camping and picnics. Why choose our fan? It offers a modern aesthetic, durable build quality with drop-resistant material, an ergonomic grip for comfortable handling, and an easy-to-use USB Type-C charging interface. Who is it for? It is ideal for students and professionals looking for personal desk airflow, as well as travelers, outdoor enthusiasts, and anyone who needs a quick breeze when heat spikes. Don't let the heat stop you. Enjoy 100% instant cooling relief and beat the heat effortlessly. Upgrade your everyday carry with the ultimate portable cooling companion today. Stay cool and stay comfortable. Thank you for your time watching this video. For more information, please contact our sales team or reach out to us on WhatsApp.